Hi Anu, I'm back with a few more questions, rather conflicts or challenges, whatever you may call it. And I'm really looking up to you for helping me channelize them or to understand them or to deal with them. So, what do you do when somebody is, or a few people are targeting you needlessly, allegations, fabricated charges? This is all to kind of corner you and how to deal with it, how to fight it out. अन्याय हो रहा है, क्या मैं अन्याय को सहूं? क्योंकि अन्याय सहना भी तो अन्याय होता है। मैं लड़ना नहीं चाहती, आई डोंट वांट अ बैटल और अ वॉर, yet I want them to know the truth. I want them to understand that there are two sides of the story. I want them to know that you can't target me, you can't make me insecure. Even I have a view, a right to live, a right to my life. Don't come and control it. These are the social and moral police who I'm talking about, targeting a single woman. So these are some challenges I'm facing in reality, and these are real life problems I'm sharing with you, Anu. That I don't take it lying down. However, nowadays, I'm also growing older, number one. Number two is that even for myself, physically against a gang. तो ऐसा है कि सोसाइटी में मैं औरत हूँ, आइदर यू सकम टू देयर विशेस, उनको कंट्रोल करने दो अपना लाइफ, मतलब मेरा लाइफ, या तो मैं अपना लाइफ अपनी तरह से जीऊँ. आई थिंक द सेकेंड वन इज़ एक्चुअली द नेचुरल थिंग टू डू, राइट. मेरी ज़िंदगी मेरी है, किसी और की कंट्रोल में नहीं है. मैं इसको कैसे डील करूँ अनु? मैं लड़ना भी चाहती हूँ अपने हक के लिए, और शांति भी चाहती हूँ. आई नो मिडिल पाथ इज़ देयर, लेकिन मैं इंटरनली भी इसको कैसे अपने में चैनलाइज करूँ. मैं एक एक बार उसको बहुत शांति से टाल देती हूँ, एक एक बार मैं बहुत खौल जाती हूँ. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जब तक ना इसको थोड़ा आउटवर्डली डील करूँ विद द कंसर्न पीपल, मेरे अंदर भी ये खौलना बंद नहीं होगा. और अन्याय हो रहा है, अन्याय तो सहना भी अन्याय होता है, अन्याय सहना सबसे बड़ा अन्याय होता है. तो तुम थोड़ा मुझे गाइड करो, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंड एंड डील विद इट अनु. ओके, बाय.
So, hello, Shivrata. Yes. So, I don't claim to have perfect answers for these questions that you have raised. So, first of all, if this is in a society, like as in an apartment complex, then, like, if it is a lawful, like, if somebody is being, targeting you unlawfully, whether in office or in an apartment complex or in the school area or in the college, then of course my, like, you don't have to hear it from me, you know that, first thing is to um, consult with the local, with the authority in that area, so maybe police or something. So I don't think you are talking about the law. But from the question itself, it seems some people, like in the society, as in maybe like uh, distant relatives or I wouldn't say friends, because then they wouldn't be targeting you. So you're talking about some people who somehow are gossiping or talking behind your back, and then it's coming to you, or even like, confronting you. So in that case, like, and because this is a spiritual forum, so I want to suggest, now these are just suggestions, and I can, I'm not saying it's easy, but uh, that as a person living in this world, we expect that when we come in contact with people around us or the nature around us, the universe around us, some difficulty will be there. Now it depends on my character or my um, uh, like my situation at this time, how I'm going to respond to it. Uh, and because if this question is persistent, then we need to see, like, the first thing is, how can I deal it better? How can I consider this situation? If this is bothering me, if gossiping, targeting, and everything is bothering me, how can I deal with this in another way? Let that be an a reflection point. Say if you pray or you meditate or do something, mm, that would be my suggestion. Especially because you have called me and this is a spiritual spiral video. That's why. Otherwise, in social context or in other, like as in a friend, I would have suggested something different. So, to go in detail about this, a bit more about this is that in the morning when you get up, and if this question is bothering you, then I would suggest to take an additional, like before you get into any other activity, take 5 or 10 or 15, 20 minutes to say that, please guide me, my, whosoever, the universe, the God, whichever, whatever you believe, or Durga Mata, Kali Mata, that you please guide me as to how I can deal with this in a way which is sane, which uh, supports me in my purpose of life, and also brings, serenity and calmness to my brain, so that I can focus on my other duties, or on the duties, or the, say, whatever is in my daily routine which I need to focus. And this is, as a human, we need to uh, weed out the things which are, are simple pinpricks or whatever. And a meditation teacher said in the Vipassana or wherever, that if I'm feeling pain in a certain part of a body, so this gossiping, targeting is a pain point, and then how can I use it to further my meditation practice itself? So if this bullying is bothering me, then we need to say that, okay, that gossip or whatever, that targeting is limited to, say, maybe 5-minute talk or 10-minute talk or a half a day conversation with some neighbor. But then that conversation ended. It started and it ended. So why am I, you know, clinging to it, or why am I giving it more importance? So these are some of the questions you can meditate on it, and then surrender to the answer that come up, and certainly some answers or some way that you can deal with it will show up. So that is my experience, and I want to share this with you. So again, thank you, Shubrata, for this question, and waiting to hear more from you. Thank you.